it's Mel from Sparkly Belly. In my last video, I showed you how to make these fabric flower appliques that I use to decorate my costume. In this video, you'll see how to make these rose appliques. These are also easy to make and so delicate and pretty. Let's get started. To make these rose appliques, you need a roll of 6-inch wide tulle, matching color thread, and felt. If you can't find a roll of tulle, you can cut tulle into strips. Make each strip 6 inches wide, and you'll need about 1 yard for an applique that's 2 inches in diameter. First, cut the felt into a round shape. This is as big as your applique is going to be, so cut whatever size you like. Here, mine is about 1 5/8 of an inch in diameter, and the finished applique will be 2 inches in diameter. Take the tulle and tie a small knot at the end. Place the knot in the center of the felt circle and do a few stitches by catching the bottom part of the tulle to secure it in place. I'm using darker thread here so you can see the stitches, but for your appliques, use matching color thread. Then trim the excess at the end and twist the tulle outward once and wrap it around the knot. Do a couple stitches here to keep the twist in place, and try to catch the bottom or side of the tulle so you don't see the stitches from the front. Twist again and wrap it around the knot and stitch. Keep going like that, each time twisting the tulle and creating nice layers. When you reach the edge of the felt, keep twisting and completely cover the felt. On the wrong side, stitch every 3/8 of an inch or so to keep the edge of the tulle in place, so the felt is completely hidden when you look at the applique from the front side. Once the edge is covered, trim the tulle leaving about 2 inches and hide the end on the wrong side. Stitch the end on the wrong side, trim the excess, and now you have a rose applique. I think it looks more beautiful if you keep the twist a little loose and make each layer look random and imperfect. It looks more natural and whimsical. Just like the other flower appliques, you can simply stitch this applique onto your costume or dress. It's really pretty to combine these roses and flower appliques because the materials are different and it definitely adds more visual interest to your costume design. Hope you liked the rose applique DIY, and if you did, subscribe to my channel for more costuming DIYs. And share this video with your crafty friends. And if you want to make belly dance costumes that fit well and look professional, sign up for my free course, Belly Dance Costume Making 101, and learn how. Find the link in the description. Thanks for watching and keep sparkling!